He's trying. He's trying. Jack's getting Jack.
You guys should make out right now.
Jack.
Make out.
Jack.
Make
Jack.
out. Make out.
Go for it.
Come on. What is your name? Cusack?
This is Zach.
You might want to try that.
I was going to say that you're going to get
Go for Jack.
It's really good.
Give Jack another taste. Jack, how is that?
Jack's our boy. You got to take care of him.
Jack, how is that?
That might be the best sandwich you ever had.
I think.
Jack! Take another bite. Take another bite, Jack.
I don't want to eat all our sandwich, boys.
How is it, Jack?
It's good.
It's good?
Need one beer, so I'm good.
Be careful. The girls cannot resist this guy. So if you get too close, you're going to get sucked in.
Look into his red.
That's what all the girls
Look
say.
into his eye.
I already looked into it.
We're just
Look
warning
into
you.
it. Look into his eye.
No, it's just
You gotta look in the left one.
Hey, is my eye good?
Look in the left one.
I remember where I worked.
You remember that day.
I was Why did you?
I remember the day when I looked in his eyes the first time.
No, his eye. He said his eye. His big,
Look into his eye.
his big purple eye.
Just the left one.
Oh, what did you say?
I didn't say anything. I was done.
What did you say?
Jack, cover it. Jack,
She's looking at his eyes. Be careful.
cover it.
She said it was big.
I did not say that. I did not say that. I didn't say that.
I'm gonna cry.
Faggot,
you'll make me cry.
I am a lady.
I have a whole bunch of beasts on my head. That was wrong. That was so funny.
I am not.
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
Your tongue is all white and you're slobbering all over everyone. Oh my God, I have to wipe this off.
Nighttime, because it feels like nighttime already. We've been on this thing for like 10 minutes.